quiet.
All right. There, in this corner, yeah.
Oh, you did? Yeah. You want? No, here. Engine with you there.
Drive to the soul.
Well done. Well done.
It's LM2420, and that's a London number because the engine came out with a motor show car.
And that's driving a push bench which is being used to cut up firewood. You can see on this one that the engine is turning, but the saw blade isn't. And that's because this saw bench has got two pulleys, a fast and a loose one. Over onto the fast pulley, and away we go. I think the bench and the portable engine is owned by Mr. Raymond or Mr. Scurvy Hoskin, who's sitting down having a cup of tea. Every time I come up here, he's doing exactly the same. Seems like Scooby is hanging from the tent on the bottom corner. Lining it up, a portable is not so easy to line up as a traction engine because it's got to be man-handled in place. Final adjustment is probably done with a jack, so you can jack the front over to line the belt up exactly. So when the saw bench is in operation, from where I'm standing, the saw blade will be rotating in a clockwise direction.